Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw, MarineMax in Venice, one of my new listings. This is a beautiful 2021 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. So what we're going to do is kind of go through the boat, point out a couple things. This boat actually replaced the 24 Dauntless, which I actually own one of those. What they've done with the new model, deeper V up front, sharper lines to the boat, a little bit higher gunnels. This boat's in excellent condition, inside stored, one owner. And since the boat was inside stored, everything on the inside looks really, really nice. So we just had a professional detail done on it. Came out really nice. This one's powered with the 350 Merc Verado, about 165 hours. Also has some Mercury extended warranty on it. Horsepower to weight ratio is excellent. And this is the white one here. It's easier to maintain than the black one. This is your power pole right here. So if you're pulling up the sandbars and things like that, shallow water anchor works out great. This particular one is your traditional white hull, which I kind of prefer, because if you scratch this, underneath this is white versus a colored hull. And then we've got other option here, the stainless steel Rubrail with white insert, very, very sharp. So come on inside and we'll kind of check some other things out. So in the back, in our stern area here, we've got some cool stuff going on. Number one, it's great for fishing because it's all a flat surface. Does have raw water washdown, does have freshwater washdown, does have dual batteries and switch. But these guys right here just pop up. Goes like this, and this makes into a seat. So you got a seat here, you have a seat there. You also have recirculating bait well right here, very, very easy to get to. And then with the new leaning post, you've got the drawers that are here. So if you're like me and have extra stuff all the time, especially fishing gear, whatever, dedicated storage for that. You've got your Whaler 5-gallon bucket right here. Vinyls are in excellent condition. Here at the helm bench seat, you can have the captain and co-captain here, and then you've got holsters, which work out very, very nice. So it's very, very comfortable as far as running the boat's concerned. Digital throttle and shift right here, which is standard on all the Verados. We've got trim tabs, Raymarine, GPS, also has bottom machine on it, Fusion stereo, Raymarine VHF, and I mentioned before about 165 hours on the motor, which is right here. And then we've got a glove box here. That's the remote for your power pole. And another thing that I like, they've done a little better on the design of the T-top. I think it's a little bit sharper than it was before on the boat that I had. You've got rod holders in the back. If you want to pull a ski or something, you can definitely do that. Underneath here, we have our fully enclosed head. So that's a porta potty right there. That's some of the Coast Guard equipment and stuff that comes with the boat. Let's turn the switch off real here. And then here's what I like about the front. So if you take a look at the listing and the pictures, we've got full mooring cover that covers this area right here. And then front, of course, you can take the covers off here. All the vinyls are in excellent condition, but this gives you a really nice place as a lounger. So when you have, guests on the boat, this is super, super comfortable. Then up front, we even have backrest on both sides, which works out really nice. So this is a great fishing boat. It's a great family boat. It's perfect for the west coast of Florida. And then up front, we've got dedicated storage for the anchor, cup holders everywhere. But one thing I'll mention for a 2021, this boat's exceptionally clean, one owner, stored inside, recently detailed. So this should definitely be on your short list if you're looking for a super clean 250 Dauntless. Boat's located at MarineMax in Venice. You can also take a look at the boat on MarineMax.com, Boat Trader, Yacht World. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw, and I'm the listing broker. If you want to take a look at this, this may be easier. So you can contact me at 941-376-3345. You can check it all out at MarineMax.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thank you for taking your time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.